Well, good morning, viewers. It's Sunday, and we're back to the bathroom project. So we're going to be working on the wainscoting today. A lot of other little things as well. Just wanted to go over some of the equipment that we'll need for this project. Obviously, we need levels to check accuracy for level and plumb, a pneumatic to tack the wainscoting in place, but we will also be gluing it. By the way, there's Corey. Say hello, Corey. He hates the sound of that machine. So that's where he's sitting. So we've got this construction adhesive. And I want to go over this caulk gun because I do get kind of particular about caulk guns. I like the ones that have a little hole here because when you, show you, when you pull the handle, I don't know if you can see it. It's got a blade in there. It cuts the tip. It also has this little device here. Not every caulk gun has these features. So when you're looking for a caulk gun, remember, tubes come with a sealed cap. Now, not all come with this, but I don't know if you can see that. But down the bottom of that, that's aluminum foil or foil of some sort. So you have to poke it with that. Some people use a nail and a screw, but then you have to go travel looking for one. This gun has everything you need to get started. Like I said, we're going to be using a compressor and glue to fasten. Another thing about the toilet, you're probably wondering, why is this toilet not going in? It's such high demand. Well, because we have to take this grout saw and we have to saw out all this grout and then regrout. So that would be much more difficult to do once the toilet's installed. So we're going to get started with everything. You know, just want to show you some other equipment that we did need for doing this work. Some of what took me some time yesterday for something that supposedly takes 10 minutes to put together took me 2 hours. So I guess I'm not all that great at putting things together quickly. So we have another workstation set up outside for cutting not only the lengths but also for ripping. This is the bad boy I had put together yesterday. I had to actually watch a video to put that together. Instructions are so poor today. This I've had for a while. So this is my cutting station. This is my ripping and modifying station. We're going to be using this along with some other router bits and stuff to do the trim both in the base and the rail. So we're going to get started on that. Hopefully you check in with us a little later. So I look forward to seeing you. We'll be back.